Hello students, welcome to your channel pariksha.com. Easy to learn, easy to understand. I am Indranil and today I am going to discuss about ISRO Civil 2018 previous year paper. This video consists of two previous year engineering mathematics question with detailed solution and analysis of it. And this video also useful for other engineering exams. Now proceeding to the questions. In this question says that P is a matrix and Q is a matrix. P is a square matrix and also Q is a square matrix. Then the product of determinant P and Q, P into Q has the value of, we have to determinate or evaluate the value of determinant P and Q. Okay. So before that we need to know what is matrix. Matrix is a part of linear algebra. Linear algebra is the branch of mathematics that deals with the theory of system of linear equations, matrices, vector spaces and linear transforms. Okay, now you need to know something about matrix. So there are different type of matrix we have. The first one is row matrix. A matrix have only one row is called row matrix. That means suppose A equals to 1, 2, 3. It is called a row matrix of order 1 into 3. 1 into 3 means 1 is the row and 3 is the column. 1 is the row and 1, 2, 3. 3 is the column. Okay. Now next one is column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. In previous row matrix you have learned that a matrix which has only one row called row matrix. In column matrix, a matrix having only one column said column matrix. The example of a column matrix is 1, 2, 3. As you can see, there is only one column. Okay, there is only one column. A number of row is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so order of that matrix will be 3 into 1. 3 is the number of row, 1 is the number of column. Now square matrix you have to know, because in this question you see that this is a square matrix P, this is a square matrix Q. So what is a square matrix? Square matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Say n is called a square matrix of order n. That means if we say A is a matrix 1, 2, 2, 1, it is a square matrix just because of you say the order of that matrix, which is 2 into 2. 2 is the number of row. As you can see, this is number of row and 2 is the column. This is you can see number of column. So square matrix have equal number of row and column in the matrix. Now we have to calculate the product of this P and Q. The product of P and Q is very easy. We need to calculate the determinant of P. Determinant of P, that is the value of determinant of P is 12, determinant of Q is 50. That means product of that date P and Q is 12 into 50, the value is 600. So option D will be the right one. Now proceeding to the next question. In this question says that in a square matrix A equals to Aij, if Aij is equals to minus Aji for all I and j, so that all the leading diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements means in a matrix diagonally elements will be 0. Okay, then the matrix is called Here the correct answer for this question is skew symmetric matrix, यानी कि ऑप्शन नंबर ए राइट हो जाएगा. नाउ द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर इट इज, for a skew symmetric matrix, it is a square matrix whose AT is equals to minus A. T denotes here it is transpose. Thus all Aij is equals to minus A ij for all I and j, and all the leading diagonal elements are 0. Here A ij, I denotes row, j denotes column. Okay. Then the matrix represents a skew symmetric matrix. I will give you an example. For example, matrix A. Matrix A equals to, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, A1 to 2 1. Okay. Suppose it is a square matrix of order 2 into 2, 2 into number of row, 2 into number of column, 2 is the number of column. It will be a symmetric matrix if AT equals to A. Okay, it will be a symmetric matrix. AT is the transpose of that matrix A. Now for skew symmetric matrix, if I consider A is a square matrix A1 to 2 1, okay, it will be a skew symmetric matrix if AT transpose of that matrix will be equals to negative of that matrix. AT equals to minus A. Here it says that particular value, so the correct answer will be here skew symmetric matrix. Keep in mind our theorem is every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Every square matrix, suppose A is a square matrix 1 2 2 1, ঠিক আছে, can be uniquely expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, it is the theorem for symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Thank you for today. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and also do share and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.